Hello and welcome back everyone to my class. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to discuss some important differences from the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. So the first one is homozygous and heterozygous. Individuals having identical alleles are called homozygous for particular characters. On the other hand, individuals having dissimilar or contrasting alleles are called heterozygous for particular characters. Homozygous are homogametic, that is, they produce only one type of gamete. For example, T, which produce two similar gametes, T and T. On the other hand, heterozygous are heterogametic, that is, they produce different types of gametes. For example, T, small t, which produce two different types of gametes, T and small t. They breed true to the particular character, that is, all the offspring possesses the same genotype and phenotype when such parents are pollinated. On the other hand, heterozygous produce different genotypes when self-pollinated. Second one is phenotype and genotype. Phenotype refers to the expressed characters of the organisms like form, sex, color, etc. On the other hand, genotype refers to the genetic makeup of the organisms which determine the biological characters. Phenotype can be expressed in words like tallness, dwarfness, black, white, etc. On the other hand, genotypes can be expressed by genes representation only. Individuals having similar phenotypes may or may not have the same genotypes. On the other hand, individuals having similar genotypes usually have same phenotypes. The phenotypic ratio of Mendel's monohybrid cross is 3:1. On the other hand, the genotypic ratio of Mendel's monohybrid cross is 1:2:1. The next is dominant and recessive characters or traits. Dominant traits are always expressed when the connected allele is dominant, even if only one copy exists. On the other hand, recessive traits are expressed only if both the connected alleles are recessive. If one of the allele is dominant, then the associated character is less likely to manifest. Dominant allele is denoted by capital letter. On the other hand, recessive allele is denoted by small letter. Examples of dominant traits in humans are V-shaped hairline, right-handedness. On the other hand, examples of recessive traits in humans are straight hairline, left-handedness. Fourth one is Turner syndrome and Down syndrome. Turner syndrome is caused due to the absence of one of the X chromosome in female. On the other hand, Down syndrome is caused due to the presence of an additional copy of chromosome number 21. Females with Turner syndrome are sterile as their ovaries are rudimentary and their intelligence is also below average. On the other hand, physical, psychomotor, and mental development is retarded in Down syndrome affected individual. Turner syndrome is expressed as 44A plus X0. On the other hand, Down syndrome is expressed as trisomy 21. Fifth one is Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Persons with Turner syndrome are found to contain 44 autosomes and 1 X chromosome. On the other hand, persons with Klinefelter syndrome are found to contain 44 autosomes, 2 X chromosomes, and 1 Y chromosome. Persons with Turner syndrome possess 45 chromosomes instead of normal chromosome number 46. On the other hand, persons with Klinefelter syndrome possess 47 chromosomes instead of normal chromosome number 46. Turner syndrome's genotype is represented as 44A plus X0. On the other hand, Klinefelter syndrome genotype is represented as 44A plus XXY. Turner syndrome victims are phenotypically females but have rudimentary gonads. On the other hand, Klinefelter syndrome victims are phenotypically males but have underdeveloped genitalia. The last one is autosome and sex chromosome. Autosome determine the somatic traits. On the other hand, sex chromosomes determine the sex of an organism. Most of the chromosomes in a genome are autosomes. On the other hand, only a few chromosomes are sex chromosomes. Autosomes are labeled with numbers 1 to 22. On the other hand, sex chromosomes are labeled with letters XY, X0 or XO, ZO or Z0, ZW. The pair of autosomes are homologous in humans. On the other hand, female sex chromosomes are homologous while male sex chromosomes are heterologous. That's all for today's video, and thank you for giving your valuable time to watch my video.